Hello children, good morning. This is your social study class now. Students, in continuation of the chapter, The Climate of India, the topics, the monsoon season and the retreating monsoon season are worth understanding. So students, I am trying to make you understand again. So let us recall the monsoon season. Monsoon season caused by differing temperature trends over land and sea or ocean, land and ocean. Because of the rapid heating that means because of the rapid solar heating between the month of April and May, a low pressure zone develops over the subcontinent. Low pressure zones develops why it develops due to high temperature. If the temperature is high, then low pressure zone develops, and if the temperature is low, then high pressure zone will develop. Okay students, so zone develops over the subcontinent. To fill up the void, the moisture laden southwest wind from the Indian Ocean enters, or you can say rushes in. The southwest wind from the Indian Ocean rushes in. As I told you students, 75% of the southwest wind enters through Malabar coast and only 25% that enters through Bay of Bengal and then eastern coast. 75% southwestern wind enters through Malabar coast. Then what happens students? Yes, then these winds move northwards and strike against Konkan coast, and Mumbai gets high rainfall there by the third week of the June. And by this time their moisture decreases. By this time the moisture decreases and they provide less rainfall in the state of Gujarat, then Rajasthan below 20 centimeter. Okay, as well as in the interior areas of the plateaus. Okay, now we will understand the retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon is also called northeastern monsoon. During the month of October and November, the southwest monsoon wind becomes weaker in North India and start withdrawing due to cold wind. What I said, withdrawing. Retreating means withdrawing. Why? Due to cold wind from the north, which pushes the southwest wind from the skies of North India with no moisture. Okay, while the monsoon passes through Bay of Bengal, and that time what happened, they collect moisture, or you can say absorb moistures, and the moisture laden wind, the moisture laden monsoon wind cause heavy rainfall in the Tamil Nadu. So students, this is the retreating monsoon. This is about retreating monsoon. And one more thing, that is the information. Important information is Mawsynram. Mawsynram, that is located in the Khasi Hills in Meghalaya, receives the highest rainfall in the world. Okay, so students, read the chapter carefully. I know if you read the chapter carefully, you will know the subject matter better. Till then, goodbye students.